Alright everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to graph a quadratic equation. So you have been given y is equal to x square plus 8x plus 15. So this is your a comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. You are able to identify that your a is 1, your b is 8 and your c is 15. Now the first easiest thing that you can always find is the y-intercept. Now remember, no matter what type of equation that is, for y-intercept you have to set x to 0. That is the fundamental rule that you need to follow. Alright. Then I have a student today and he had a question about why should we set x to 0. Because when any graph or line that is touching at that point, if you look straight down, the x value is 0. So that's why, remember, for y-intercept, x is always set to 0. So what happens here? 0 square plus 8 times 0 plus 15 will result in 15. So therefore, your y-intercept is 0, 15. X-intercepts. Since there is no standard rule for you to, they're asking you like use only factors or use completing square technique, you can straight away use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula is on your reference sheet. So you don't have to worry if you forget it or make mistakes in the signs. Alright, just refer to your reference sheet. So minus of 8 plus or minus square root of 8 square minus 4 times 1 times 15 divided by 2 times 1. So if you do that in your calculator, you should be able to get your x-intercepts. Now, at the moment I don't have a calculator, so you just have to excuse me for a real quick second. So when I substituted this, 8 square is 64 minus 4 times 15, that's 60. So 64 minus 60, that's square root of 4 and divided by 2. So anyway, my x-intercepts are -3 and -5. And finally, let's quickly calculate your turning point. So to find the turning point, all you have to do is know that the x value of the turning point is minus b divided by 2a. So minus of 8 divided by 2 times 1, that ends up as -4. Now to get the y value, all I want you to do is substitute -4 into the original equation. So you substitute x equals -4 into the equation. So that is -4 square plus 8 times -4 plus 15. And you would end up as -1. So finally you write the vertex as -4 comma -1. So this is your vertex. These are your x-intercepts or solutions or zeros or roots. They all mean the same thing. Let me emphasize one more time. Your x-intercepts are nothing but your solutions. The other names are called zeros because they make the whole y equation to 0. They're also called as your roots. Now, once you have all these, your goal is to just plot them. Since my y value is going all the way to 5, I'm going to just use this as skip by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. And then this is my y values. Oh, sorry. So this have to be, use a different color because I'm confused myself. -3, -6, -9, -12, because y is skipping by 3. Okay, so let's now plot the points. Um, the y-intercept 0 comma 15. Next, what are your x-intercepts? One is at -3, the other one is at -5. Okay, and then we have a turning point. Your vertex or turning point is the same, guys. So just keep that in mind. Vertex or turning point means the same thing. So which is at -4 comma -1. So your graph is going like this. It's a U. There you go. So that is how you would sketch a graph of a quadratic equation given to you as y equals x squared plus 8x plus 15. I repeat, so in this video we learned how to do y-intercepts, we learned how to find x-intercepts. X-intercepts are nothing but your solutions, okay, zeros and roots. These are important vocabulary that I want you to memorize. And then we learned that turning point and vertex are the same, and you used the formula for the x value of the turning point, which is minus b divided by 2a, and then you took the x value and you substituted into the equation, the original equation, x squared plus 8x plus 15, and you figured out that your y value is -1, and finally this is your vertex or turning point, TP. And once you have all these values, all I did is I went and I graphed it. I created my own scale and I showed it on the graph. So this should help you on how to graph a quadratic equation. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful for you.